I'm just gonna come out and say it. You don't need an AIO liquid cooler in your budget PC build. Hey guys, today we are going to discuss why an aftermarket cooler is a necessary component for any PC build. Not only do aftermarket coolers come in the form of AIOs, but there are also budget air coolers that perform just as well. I've seen many budget builds that include an AIO liquid cooler worth over $100, which could be better spent on other hardware components like the CPU or GPU. If you're planning a budget build and your processor comes with a stock cooler, it's important to plan the entire build first and come back to the cooler if you have extra budget. Even then, a budget aftermarket air cooler will perform much better and will be cheaper than an AIO liquid cooler. Just to give you a clear comparison, here's a chart of the Intel RM1 stock cooler compared to two aftermarket coolers. As you can see, the difference between the stock and the aftermarket budget air cooler is quite significant. But when you compare the air cooler to the AIO, the difference is not as big of a deal. Another factor to consider is noise levels and aesthetics. Sure, the best option would be an AIO liquid cooler, as some of them have screens and are nearly silent due to the quiet pump, but they are not budget friendly. Some budget air coolers have great aesthetics but not so great acoustics. This can be easily fixed by switching out the fan for a quieter one like the Be Quiet series. As for the stock coolers, they don't offer much competition in terms of aesthetics or noise levels. Overall, if you don't plan on overclocking and have a relatively low load on the CPU, stick with the stock cooler. If you plan on gaming, streaming or editing on a budget, it's highly recommended to get a budget air cooler as it can work wonders. The only time you should get an AIO liquid cooler is when budget is not an issue and you want the best aesthetics and acoustics for your PC. Whatever products that's mentioned in the video is in the description below, and I'll also give you more suggestions, and by clicking on the link you will support the channel, guys. So I hope this video helped you make the best decision for your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. That is all from me, and have a nice day, folks.